Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs and apps from Windows 10. So first step is to click over here at the bottom left corner the Windows menu, and you can click right here on the settings and this will show up, and right over here where it says apps, you'll see uninstall defaults optional features. Click on this and you're going to be brought to all the apps and programs. So there's a list of all the different programs. So let's say, for example, I want to uninstall this game here, League of Legends. You're going to select the program and click uninstall. So I'm going to click uninstall this app, and its related info will be uninstalled. So click uninstall again, and it's going to take a few seconds. You'll see that it's loading. Do you want to uninstall League of Legends and all of its modules? Click yes one more time. And you should see here that it's going to uninstall the program. That was pretty quick. Uninstallation completed. Click OK. And you'll see that it is gone from your list of programs and apps. So another method I'll show you, or I should say, type here to search, and you're gonna just spell uninstall. Click on enter, and it's gonna bring you straight to the menu where it shows you all of the apps that are installed on your computer. And here, of course, same thing. You're just gonna select whatever you want to uninstall, and you can click on the uninstall button. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions on the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Peace.